Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, shortcut key for rectangle tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, open your Photoshop, then press press U on your keyboard. See this shape again. Follow this tool. Press U and see this is rectangle without fill. With fill. Again, press U, hold shift, press again U and sense rectangle tool around that shape, line tool. Or manually click the shape, right click, use rectangle tool. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.